What's up, guys? It's Porky Person, and welcome back to another Fortnite video. I really want the Pteranodon glider, the pterodactyl, but I don't got that money. Rawr. That's funny. Oh, nice. I know star power. That actually looks really good when you're using Triceratops. But if you're using like Carbide or something, it'll look terrible. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that emote was meant for girls. Why am I not in a match yet? Whew. Anyways, today guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to get the Battle Pass Season 8. Search between a refrigerator shipment, bear, and a crater. And I'll show you where that is and how you can get the free tier. See, over here, this is the bear, right here. This is the crater, and this is a shipment. So it's gonna be right, you see that patch of dirt right there? That's where it's gonna be. So I'm probably gonna drop around Salty Springs. And there's also Hills of Pleasant Park. Search 7 chests in a single game. And a bunch of other ones that and there's a bunch of headshot damage. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that in this video or any other video likely, but you know. I'm probably gonna die because I'm not gonna have a gun going into this fight. But I'll get a free tier. See that patch of dirt in the middle? That's where it's gonna be. SMG. I can't do crap with an SMG. There's an SMG elim, a suppressed weapon elim, but I didn't get the freaking thing. So I'm gonna get the thing this time instead of getting an SMG elim. I want this, but it's just there taunting me because I'm poor. Wait a minute, is that logo in the back or the logo on the new guy's cape? Anyway, I'm not sure, but that's gonna be right there. Well, that worked. Anyways, that'll be it for now. Thank you for watching. If you watched the whole video, and now I'm 274, and I got this bear thing going on, and yeah. So I'll see you next video or stream.